My name is Julian Contreras, and I will be your instructor for Art 100, Introduction to Art, this semester. And I just wanted to take a few minutes to cover 5 important things related to the course so you know what to expect. Expect a lot of material coming at you quickly. We're not going to produce art, we're not going to create art, but we are going to study art and talk about what art is. Materials, processes, epochs, styles, trends, and we're going to approach it from an historic perspective. In other words, we're going to do a brief sort of art history as we go. Okay? There is an important history component in this course because we want to understand whatever art we're looking at, whatever object we are considering, we want to be able to understand what it meant to the culture that produced it. From there, we can make our assumptions, we can say whether we like it or don't like it, but we want to be able to understand what it meant to the culture that produced it, to the extent that we can, okay? So how is your grade calculated? Well, in this course, you'll get credit for everything you do. You'll get credit for watching this video, answer a few questions after, and you get credit. But this is very important that you understand. I calculate your grade by adding up all of those points that you've earned. And at the end of the semester, I compare it to a possible of 1,000 points. So anyone earning 900 or more points is going to get an A. Anyone from 800 to 899 would be a B, and so on. Okay? Now, be aware that there are more than 1,000 points available in the course. Okay? So, as I said, you can expect a lot of material coming at you quickly, but you also can expect a lot of opportunities to build those points and earn that grade. Okay? So more specifics will be in the how to conduct the course through Canvas video. One caveat first. Sometimes when you look at your grade on Canvas, Canvas will give you a running percentage of what your grade is. But just remember, you're building up points. Okay, so at the end of the semester, you will do a museum paper. You will visit a museum. And the idea here is that you take all of these things that you've learned, materials, processes, famous artists, and that's famous works, and that sort of thing, and you go out and you look at art, you see it face to face, in person, and you write about the experience. And you try to take what you've learned in class and apply it to your visit. What does impasto look like in person, for example? Okay? Some students say it's the best part of the course. It is a fun assignment. So already start looking ahead to that. I'll send out some information on free museums and that sort of thing, but that will be due at the end of the semester. Okay? This video, the Canvas video, the syllabus quiz are intended to answer questions before we really get rolling. But if you do have questions, you can always email me. That is the best way to contact me. You would even consider it maybe office hours in that sense, because if you email me, that gives me a chance to read your question, to think about it, and then to give an informed response. Okay? So I don't do online office hours. I don't have an office on campus. You'll see due dates as we go through this course. Those are there to keep you on pace so that this material that we're walking through gets into sort of bite-sized chunks. Okay? So pay attention to the due dates, but because this is an asynchronous online course, it's up to you to check in, to look at Canvas regularly, see what assignments are due, and that sort of thing. But if you stay on top of it that way, this is totally doable and you're going to do really well in this class. Okay? So let me go real quickly on the 5 things. What can you expect? A lot of material, a lot of terms. We're taking a historical perspective because we want to put art in context. We want to understand what it meant to the culture that produced it. Your grade is calculated by adding up all the points that you earn, comparing that to 1,000. At the end of the semester, you're going to do a museum visit. You put all this stuff together and write about the experience. Really, that assignment is really about just getting out and doing it. Okay? And if you need me, email me and I will respond. Probably not on a weekend. If you email me over a weekend, I'll respond Monday when we get back going. And you'll notice in the course I don't have anything due on Sundays because I just take Sunday. That's a family day. I won't even check the emails on Sunday. I try my best to get back to you in a day or two, sometimes a bit quicker depending on circumstances. Okay? Anyway, I hope this helps. Answer a few questions after to get points towards your final grade, and I look forward to seeing you online. Thank you.